potato. Where I'm from is pronounced as potato. Hi friends, we need to talk Bitcoin. If you haven't bought any, this video is for you. I have an investment thesis that will challenge yours. And for those who have bought lots of Bitcoin, hold your horses, man. Don't overdo it. I will address why in this video. Right now, with so much financial institutions buying into Bitcoin, causing the volatility to drop and Bitcoin surviving the test of time, don't you think it's really stupid not to have just a little bit of Bitcoin, even if you do not believe in it? When it comes to money, your hard-earned money, take away all that emotion. Investments are never emotional. But on the flip side, those with 100% capital to Bitcoin, hello, you must be nuts. I'm a Bitcoin bullish guy, but 100% Bitcoin is donkey. Maybe the skeptics are right. Bitcoin is just nothing but ones and zeros. There's no purpose on this planet and the biggest Ponzi scheme. Maybe they are right. Governments all over the world will come together, kiss and hug, and ban Bitcoin. Anyway, who knew like in 2020 governments together would shut down the world? My donkey was shocked. Some people absolutely hate Bitcoin. I'm sure you know friends or some people that hates it and says Bitcoin is nothing, it's just a digital 1 and 0. And some treat it like a religion, talking about it every day. Look, you can hate me or agree with me, I don't care. My goal here is to talk facts. Facts are facts. Printing of money is bad. When money is printed, it benefits the printer and dilutes everyone else. All currencies eventually fail. The only solution is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a productive asset you invest in. Bitcoin is a form of stored value if everything goes boom. If you haven't watched my Bitcoin video to understand just the fundamentals, I highly recommend you to watch it. The views now reaching 300,000. For those who are betting huge on Bitcoin, I give you some guidelines later in the video on how much you should buy because you really do not want to do 100%. I openly share my portfolios from time to time only because it helps you. I also believe that's the minimum standard for anybody you learn from. Those who follow me long enough knows my portfolio allocation for Bitcoin is 5%. There is a math behind this percentage. Again, government all over the world are printing money and one day it's going to explode. We do not know when, but when it happens, your Bitcoin will probably be worth $1 million. A 5% allocation of $1 million is 50,000. When the financial system collapses, your 5% will become 150%, which is 30 times. Meaning your portfolio of stocks will be worth 0, but Bitcoin worth 1.5 million. So it's kind of a cheap insurance if shit happens. I personally do not trust governments to do the right thing, so I bought Bitcoin. Do you trust them? The thing is, how much should you buy? It differs from everyone because everyone is different. Young, there's old, there's conservative, there's risky. Here is a simple way. If you are conservative, a 2 to 3% allocation is fine. If you are okay with lots of risk, a 10 to 20% allocation is your limit. For me, I'm old but not conservative, so it's 5%. You find your balance. So far so good? Perfect. Before I move on, we'll appreciate a thumbs up. Do consider clicking this for the video. It helps in pushing the video and it helps for the causes I believe in. Thank you. Now, lots of requests on the step-by-step guide buying Bitcoin and how to store it safely. I'll cover this quickly because it's not that hard. It's just 5 simple steps covered in detail. Step number 1, choose an exchange. I recommend Binance because it is the world's biggest exchange for a reason. I have my referral code in the description. If you have your friend's code, use theirs. If you are in the United States, Cash App and Coinbase is great. Do not use Robinhood. You don't actually own Bitcoin using Robinhood. If you are located in the UK, EU, Australia, Singapore, Binance. If I didn't mention your country, do a simple Google search. Plenty of websites covering this now. Step number 2, securing your account. If someone ever got your password, they will not be able to access it. You activate your second layer login and it depends on your exchange. Binance uses Google authentication. This means unless someone has physical access to your phone, they will not be able to hack in. Step number 3, funding your account. Always choose bank transfer. Funding by debit card or credit card, the fees are high. Always use wire transfer / bank deposit / local bank to local bank transfer. Key in the bank details. This step is super important. You must include the reference code in your deposit. No matter the exchange, you will be given a reference code so they recognize it's you. Step number 4, you can now buy Bitcoin. I'm using USD here, so it's easier to explain. Simple way, click trade, convert. Key the amount of money you want to spend. That's it. If you want to set a price you want to buy, click trade, classic. Let's say my target price is 30,000 USD. You change it here by dragging this bar. It shows the amount of Bitcoin I can buy with the amount of money I have. Click buy and set your order. Final step, step 5, move it to cold storage. I do not trust any exchanges or third party to hold on to my Bitcoin. And that's the beauty of Bitcoin. You have sovereignty over your own asset. Seen too much greed that goes wrong in this world. Buy one of these cold wallets directly from ledger.com. They will ship direct, they ship worldwide. Do not eBay this. With this, you will have two things, your own Bitcoin address and a 24-seed password. While setting up the device, write down your 24-seed password and keep this in a place only you know. If someone steals your device, you can use this password to recover your Bitcoin. This password is very secure and has never been cracked. To move your Bitcoin to cold storage, copy and paste your Bitcoin address generated by NanoLedger X and click send. Depends how busy the network is. For me, using Binance, it takes about 10 minutes. This is my Bitcoin address. It is safe. Nobody's going to hack you if they are going to know your address. I'm using this for demo purposes. That's it, man. 5 simple steps. So wrapping up, buying Bitcoin may seem complicated, but once you get down to it, it is easier versus setting up to buy stocks. Bitcoin is a great way to hedge your portfolio, and you can have 1 million reasons to hate it. My friend once told me Bitcoin is like girls. He can't stand them, but he can't live without them. I think that's like the worst analogy ever. Anyways, I hope this video helped. Appreciate the thumbs up. It massively helps with my cause and helps push the video. Thank you so much, and as always, invest safe.